The next thing we're going to look at is the drive belt. Your belt going from your transmission to your rear wheel. And just look at that, check to make sure that it's not too tight, it's not too loose, and then get it up on a stand and turn, or just roll the bike back and forth, but look at every part of that belt. Make sure that there's no teeth missing out of the belt. Make sure that there's no chips or rocks that have messed up the belt or the pulleys. So you want to look at the belt and the pulleys and make sure that they're in good condition. Generally, people can get in the 75,000 to 100,000 miles easily out of these belts and pulleys, as long as they've not encountered a rock or something else getting stuck in there. Next step is checking your belt tension. There's a special tool for that. I haven't used it in years, but you just push up. You should have a slight amount of pressure and be able to move that belt about 3/8 of an inch. 3/16 to 3/8 of an inch. So that's good right there. On the two-wheel bikes, there's actually a little plastic belt guard that has lines on it so that you can measure how far it's moving up. I've done this hundreds of times, and that's good.